There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Harley-Davidson 2023 Softail Breakout 117. What is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another brand new 2023 Harley-Davidson to show you guys, and this one, man, it is stunning. We are taking a look at the 2023 Breakout. Harley brought the Breakout back to the production line. I mean, we have a lot of Breakout fans out there that missed the Breakout when it left. A lot of things have changed. It looks like we got some custom wheels on this bike, a huge front wheel, a huge back tire, back wheel back here. We've got a clean dash on here as well with the fuel cap to the side. That looks pretty awesome. This bike is, I mean, it is stunning. It's phenomenal. This is an amazing bike, and I wanted to showcase this bike to you guys before it leaves the dealership because it has been sold. If you don't know who I am, my name is Miles. I sell Harleys up here at Independence Harley-Davidson in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you're in the area, feel free to stop by. Look at all the bikes we got out here. We got plenty of bikes, and the new Harleys are rolling in now. So I just wanted to give you guys an up-close shot at this Breakout before it leaves the dealership. The service department just put on this 2-in-1 Bassani Road Rage exhaust. Sounds awesome. So something we just learned is that the 2023 models will not work with the Screaming Eagle Pro Street tuner for some reason. There's a download that the service department can do and tune the bike with, but the Pro Street tuner does not work with the 2023s thus far. So maybe that'll change down the road, but right now it doesn't work. So they had to use the digital tech to upload the tune to it. This bike has 1 mile on it, and I think he's gonna get mad at me for pulling it around the building because he didn't want anybody to touch this bike. But David's my friend. He's bought a couple bikes from me. I'm sure he wouldn't get mad that I pulled it around the front of the building. But yeah, let's give it a start up. Got 1 mile on it. Let's take a listen to that exhaust. Breakout comes with the 117 Milwaukee 8 engine, which is the biggest engine that Harley puts out from the factory, which is badass. I mean, you would not expect them to put it on the Breakout. 6-speed transmission. You've got the big 5.5 gallon gas tank now on the Breakout, a clean digital gauge. This has a security system, a key fob. This bike is awesome. I mean, this bike is a neck breaker. The Breakout is a neck breaker, straight up. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Breakout is a neck breaker. So wherever you pull up on this bike, you are gonna be flexing for real. Like, I walked back to the service department, I saw this bike, and I took a step back and I was like, holy, that is beautiful. Again, you've got the new Milwaukee 8 Softail frame, the monoshock suspension. It's got an adjustable rear suspension back here, passenger pegs. I can't tell if we put those on or if those came with it, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an up-close look at this bike before it leaves the dealership. What do you think of your brand new Harley-Davidson Breakout, David?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, but this breaking up.
This is better than the Fat Boy.
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
Definitely. I mean, it's more of like a hot rod.
Being coming from Africa, this is very popular.
Right.
And in Europe, Switzerland, all over Europe, you see a lot of these breakouts.
Oh yeah, they love them.
They go crazy.
They love the V-Rod too. The V-Rod's
yeah,
another one that they actually really love. He's gonna. I told them earlier. I said you're gonna break necks on this thing. You're gonna break necks on it. So I'm just gonna. Huh?
Still got your gloves.
Oh, he still got. Those are good gloves, man. You buy a bike from me, you get a free pair of gloves.
Here we go.
No, only you. Only you.
Me.
Only you. Nobody else.
All right, let's see what we get on it.
Yeah, man.
That'll be the best part.
Now the handling is going to be a little bit different. Okay, you got that.
I'm gonna feel it out first.
Right.
I'm gonna have to feel it out first.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Harley-Davidson 2023 Softail Breakout 117. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe. I really appreciate it. I plan on putting out a lot of content for you guys this year, and we're gonna have some fun, so stick around. Thanks for watching. My name is Miles. Ride fast, take chances. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.